Here I have Nissan Ariya Nismo, and let me show you how to perform the factory reset in this car. So basically, if you mess up with your settings and you would like to bring them back to the original factory state, there is a simple way to do this. All you need to do is go to your screen behind your steering wheel. Let's use the right or left key, the right or left arrow here on your steering wheel to enter the settings. If you highlight the settings, press OK button to confirm it. Then let's scroll down here to the bottom of the list until you see the factory reset. So this is the factory reset. So let's press OK to confirm it. And if you would like to accomplish this factory reset, so if you would like to wipe away every customization you have made, if you would like to just restore all default settings, let's scroll down and press yes to confirm it. And that's it. You just bring back the default settings of your Nissan Ariya Nismo. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please consider to leave a like. Bye.